Hey, how are you doing? Well, today I want to talk about Viral Reel. This is a new software from my good friend Abhi Dwivedi, and this is a special one. Abhi has really outdone himself this time. He's created a product that can get you literally millions of views on your YouTube channel. It's got the same techniques, the same ways to get the big size viral traffic that all those big channels have, all those big viral sites have, all those big viral Facebook pages have. And Abhi has literally cracked the code this time. He has gone out, studied the viral techniques of the top grossers, people who've got the most traffic, people who've got the most likes, most follows, and people who have been able to successfully sell their sites on Flippa and other websites like that. Well, Abhi has cracked the code. He has drilled into their functionality, he's drilled into their marketing, and he has created a software that duplicates all of their features, it duplicates all of their marketing strategies, and he's got that in a fantastic SaaS right over here. So what you can do with Viral Reel is you can put together videos from YouTube, and you can create a video of your own that's 100% original, that's made from in fact Creative Commons videos and videos that don't have any rights, any copyright restrictions. So you can create your own videos using that. You can circulate them on the social web. You can create quotes videos, and you can get a lot of traffic to your sites, to your offers through these videos. Now Abhi has got everything right there, but I'm going to give you something that he doesn't have. I'm going to tell you what videos to make. Now you can create videos, but how do you know what topics to create the videos on that will get you the maximum traffic? So to help you do that, I'm going to give you a tool that will let you massively harvest the keywords from YouTube, and these are the prime keywords that people are targeting to actually find the videos. These are not just random SEO keywords, these are actual video keywords, and this is absolutely connected to Video Reel, because with Video Reel you can create the videos, but with my bonus, with my app that is on this page, you can find out what videos to create or what topics to target. This is an exclusive bonus. I won't have it all the time. It's available only during the launch of Viral Reel, and it's only available to the first 100 customers. So if you're lucky enough to be in the first 100 customers, I'm going to give you this software absolutely free of cost if you pick Viral Reel from this page. So go on, pick it up, and I'm going to make it even better. I'm going to give you my free course. I'm going to give you my course free, and this is a premium course. This is a premium YouTube marketing course that I give only with very few offers, that I have not given away free at all, in fact, in the last entire year. But on this page today, if you get Viral Reel from me, I'm going to give you this course absolutely free, and it's going to turn you into a video marketing master. It's got everything you need. It teaches you everything you need to know about video marketing, and there's no such other course in the market. You know, I'm in the YouTube business myself. I do a lot of YouTube marketing, and this is built on my experiences, my insights, and it's going to help you dominate YouTube. So get this, claim my software that will help you find the topics massively, claim my training that will help you understand how to market your videos properly, and of course you can create the videos using Viral Reel. This is Surajit, your friend in internet marketing, signing off.